get the kettle on.
Quiet.
We're working with an ultra-nationalist group. They'll handle operations in the east after the attacks.
Trust the wolf.
You know I do. But this operation...
Take the front row.
Oh, God!
Secure.
Alpha 3. Entry to the front door.
Mark, what's going on?
Bravo 6, move into the first floor. X-ray down.
2 X-rays down.
Copy. Make sure this floor's secure.
First floor secure.
On me. Bravo 6, move into the second floor.
Answer the door!
Get up here now. Roger, moving. Garrett, what are you doing?
Wait!
Floor secure.
Right up the stairs. Bravo 6 taking the third floor.
I'm going out. I will not betray the wolf.
Check your shots.
Hands up! Now!
Don't move!
Secure him. Shut that kid up. Secure.
Last floor, take point, Sergeant.
Locked.
I've got it. Try and take him alive. Flashbang.
Down, get down, get down!
Don't shoot! Don't shoot, please! They were going to kill
Don't
me!
move!
They
Stop!
locked me in here!
Drop him.
Just stop!
Clear. All teams, townhouse secure. Commence SSE.
Oh, fucking hell. She was going for a bloody detonator.
Good job we dropped it in.
We made the right call, sir.
We'll bet your ass. We got a location on the wolf.
The attic of the Al-Qatala townhouse was a gold mine. Looks like we found the wolf. Communications from the laptop were tracked to Ramaza Hospital in Urzikstan, where the Al-Qatala leader is believed to be holed up. Farah's forces will track terror activity at the hospital, while a Marine ground force can be mobilized to advance on the complex. Echo 3-1 will capture the Wolf for interrogation about the stolen Russian gas.